Hello student, good morning. In last lecture, we learned a transpose of matrix, also symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Now, some operation over the matrices on transpose of matrix. For that, first example, if matrix A 2 1 3 4 and B is equal to minus 1 3 5 2, then prove that AB whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Transpose of the product of A and B matrix is equal to the product of transpose of B into product of into the transpose of A. AB dash is equal to B dash into A dash. So for that, here first find the product of two matrix multiplication. 2 1 3 4 minus 1 3 5 2. Now first row first column, minus 2 plus 5 1 ja 5, then 3 2 ja 6 plus 2, 3 minus 3 plus 4 5 ja 20, 3 3 ja 9 plus 4 2 ja 8. This is our matrix multiplication AB. 5 minus 2 3, 6 plus 2 8, 20 minus 3 17 and 9 plus 8 17. Now AB whole dash, that is our left hand side, that means 3 8 17 17 dash, means transpose of AB is AB transpose 3 8 17 17. So say this is equation 1. Now A dash and B dash, we have to find A dash and B dash and then multiply them. A dash, a transpose of A 2 1 3 4 and B dash is minus 1 3 5 2. Now right hand side equal to B dash into A dash. So B dash is 1 5 3 2. A dash is 2 3 1 4. Now product minus 2 plus 5 minus 3 plus 4 5 ja 20, 3 2 ja 6 plus 2, 3 3 ja 9 plus 4 2 ja 8. 5 minus 2 3, this is 17, 8 17. Say this is equation 2. Now see, first and second are same, so by equation 1 and 2 we can say that AB dash is equal to B dash A dash. Whenever you are taking a transpose of a matrix multiplication, then product of AB will change. B comes first, A comes second. AB, that is B dash into A dash. It is not like that. AB dash is A dash into B dash. So transpose is not satisfying commutative law for matrix multiplication. It is true for addition. A plus B whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. It is true for addition but not for multiplication. Got it? Next question. Express a given matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That means we have to find a symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, and sum of that two matrix is our given matrix. For that, let's see. Here A dash is 2, 1, 4, 3. Now, what is A plus A dash? Add original matrix with the transpose of matrix 2, 1, 4, 3 plus A dash is 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. So this is A dash. Add them. 2 plus 2, 4. 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. And 3 plus 3, 6. Here, see, A plus A dash whole dash. Take a transpose of this. 4, 5. 4, 5. 5, 6. 5, 6. See, both are same. That means A plus A dash whole dash is equal to A plus A dash. So, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Now, take A minus A dash 2, 1, 3, 4 minus 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4 minus A dash, a transpose of A. Subtract these two matrices 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 4 minus 4, 0. Now, A minus A dash whole dash. That means 0 minus 2, 2, 0. Take minus common from this one. So we have a 0, minus 2, 2, 0. Now what happened? This is A minus A dash. 0 minus 2, 2, 0. That means A minus A dash whole dash is minus A minus A dash. So A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Now, what is our question? Express a given matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So, given matrix is A. So, now original thing is happening. A is 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. Got it? No. Again, see. Let 2A is A plus A. Okay. Now, 2A is equal to A plus A dash, A minus A dash. We are adding A dash and subtracting A dash. Now, A plus A dash is our symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. So A is 1 by 2 A plus A dash and 1 by 2 A minus A dash. That means A plus A dash is always symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is always skew symmetric matrix. Now substitute the value, that is our A 1 by 2 A plus A dash 4 5 5 6 4 5 5 6 plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash 0 minus 2 2 0. This is answer. If you simplify right hand side, you will get matrix A. So whenever you have asked to express the given matrix as a sum of skew symmetric and the symmetric matrix, what you have to find? A plus A dash and A minus A dash. This is always symmetric matrix. This is always skew symmetric matrix. That means then you have to write like that: A equal to 1 by 2 symmetric matrix, 1 by 2 skew symmetric matrix. So sum of that will be our original matrix. Got it? Let's see next question for a 3 by 3 matrix. Express as a symmetric and the sum of symmetric and the skew symmetric matrix. Given matrix is A 2 1 3 1 4 5 minus 2 3 2. Find the symmetric matrix. Then A plus A dash 2 1 3 1 4 5 minus 2 3 2. This is A plus A dash 2 1 3 1 4 5 minus 2 3 2. This is A dash. Sum of these two matrices. 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 1 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 2, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 3 8. Minus 2 plus 3 1, 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 2 4. Here A plus A dash whole dash means a transpose of this is 4 2 1 2 8 8 and 1 8 4, and that is nothing but A plus A dash. That means A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Say this is 1. Now find skew symmetric matrix. For that A minus A dash, so write down A 2 1 3 1 4 5 minus 2 3 2 minus A dash 2 1 3 1 4 5 minus 2 3 2. Subtract these two matrices. 0 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus minus 2 plus 5, 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 3 2, minus minus 3 minus 5, minus 2 and 0. Now A minus A dash whole dash. So transpose of this 0 0 5, 0 0 2, minus 5 minus 2 0. Take minus common, 0 0 5, 0 0 2, minus 5 minus 2 0. And that is nothing but minus A dash. See, this is A minus A dash. That means A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Now, what is A? Now you can write directly 1 by 2 A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 A minus A dash. If you multiply 1 by 2 in both the bracket, 1 by 2A plus 1 by 2A dash, 1 by 2A minus 1 by 2A dash. That means A dash will cancel. 1 by 2A plus 1 by 2A will be A. So now, what is A? 1 by 2 A plus A dash. This is matrix 4 2 1 288,184 plus 1 by 2, 005 a minus a dash, 002 minus 5 minus 2 0. So this is our answer. This is symmetric matrix, this is skew symmetric matrix. Clear? Next thing. Next thing. Now you can solve exercise 3.3. Question number 1 to 10. Now question 11 is somewhat different. Exercise 3.3 question 11. A and B are same ordered symmetric matrix. Then what can we say about AB minus BA? What can we say about AB minus BA? Now remember the things. First, AB dash is nothing but B dash equal to A dash. A and B are same order matrix. That means A dash is A and B dash equal to B. Now, what can we say about AB minus BA? Is symmetric matrix? Is zero matrix? Is skew symmetric matrix? What is our answer? Let's find. So first of all, take up AB minus BA dash. So we are finding a transpose of that. If this equal to AB minus BA, that means it will be a symmetric matrix. Let's see. AB minus BA whole dash. Transpose is applicable over the addition and subtraction. So it will be AB dash minus BA whole dash. Now we know AB dash is B dash A dash and BA dash will be A dash B dash. So whenever the transpose of product we can find, at that time order of multiplication will change. Now B dash is B, that means B dash is B, A minus A dash is A, B. Take minus common, so it will be AB minus BA. AB minus BA whole dash is minus AB minus BA, this equal to this. Let's say this is X, X dash is minus X, that means that X is skew symmetric matrix. That means, it's for understanding, AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Now 12th one. A matrix A is given cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and A plus A dash is I, identity matrix of order 2. Then find the value of alpha. So here A plus A dash is I. Now substitute the value. A cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha plus A dash cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha transpose, and that equal to I 1 0 0 1. It is 2 by 2 matrix, that means our identity matrix of order 2. Now add these two matrix, cos 2 cos alpha minus sin plus sin 0, sin minus sin 0, cos 2 cos alpha equal to 1 0 0 1. Now compare these two. That means 2 cos alpha equal to 1. Cos alpha is 1 by 2 alpha. Which value of alpha will give us the cos 1 by 2? Pi by 3. So alpha is nothing but pi by 3. Clear? Now complete exercise 3.3. In the next lecture we start exercise 3.4. See you soon. Bye bye.